everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. It's already noon and I got sidetracked this morning. Very hard not to, constantly on the phone and well, that's another story. But anyway, so I have exactly less than 30 minutes to make a meal before everybody comes running into the kitchen that they're hungry for lunch. So today we're gonna make filetto di pomodoro, which is pasta pomodoro. It's made from the very top of northern part of Italy, from Lombardia, Sicilia, Sardinia, Puglia, everywhere in Italy, people make a pasta al pomodoro. And today I am going to be making it. We're 5 people, so it's very quick, very simple. I have extra virgin olive oil, some garlic, some fresh basil. Gonna try to get more, but the weather has not been cooperating. It's still very cold. A pound of penne. I don't like the lines, the rigate. I like my penne lisce. That's something you grow up with, so that's what I like and that's what I use. And I have a can, 28 ounces of San Marzano tomatoes. Let's move right over to the stove. We're going to put on a large skillet and a pot of water to boil. And believe me, by the time we prepare the sauce and the pasta balls, it's gonna come together in literally 20 minutes. Meet me by the stove. My flame is on high. The frying pan is here. I'm gonna measure the oil. We're 5 people. So I'm going to do, let's see, let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? I'm going to do 5 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so you figure 1 per person. Now, as the oil is warming up, what I'm going to do is peel my garlic. Slicing the garlic in, and I also already put on my pot of water. So I'm going to slice my garlic. You can leave the garlic whole and remove it. We don't mind it. Some of the kids pick it out, but that's fine. Okay? Now, you could add a lot of hot pepper and make that penne arrabbiate, but I'm going to leave that tutorial for another day. Today is just a filetto di penne al pomodoro. Okay. So I'm going to move it right over to my stove so I don't make a mess. Okay, you want it on a quick rolling boil like this. You see the oil is already coming up. That means it's cooking nicely. My water is about to boil, so I'm going to add salt to it. Okay, I put the salt in pretty much less than a handful. I don't want too much salt. You could always add, but not remove. Time to drop the pasta. And don't forget, as the pasta cooks, the sauce is going to have another 7-8 minutes to cook too, so it'll be perfect, okay? But it already is. It's not a sauce that you want it overcooked. Let me stir my pasta. You know, a lot of times when people tell me, oh, we love the jar sauce and stuff, not that I want to cringe, no offense, but it's just so simple to make your own quick tomato sauce. So I really don't understand the need to buy the jar sauce. I find that the jar sauce constantly has all the same taste regardless of what brand you buy. Not that I've tried any. Let's just put that out there, okay? So now time to shred in, not rip in, just my fresh basil. Okay? And that's it. I don't want to sound like a snob, but the jar sauce also has a lot of sodium. And you're going to tell me, yes, the canned tomato does too, but I don't think as much. And in the summer months, if you buy plum tomatoes when they're in season and you let them sit on a counter when they're really nice and red and ripe, you can make this tomato sauce with a lot more fresh basil, and it is absolutely delicious. Let's taste the pasta. Al dente. Perfetta. I'm going to be drain it and be right back. Okay. Good stir. Give it just a minute in here to finish cooking. Okay, so we have a pound of pasta, a can of tomato, 28 ounces. Look, there's plenty of sauce. You could even put a little bit more pasta if you want it. And we're gonna have lunch for 5 people. We are ready. Okay, literally 20 minutes. Okay. I also made the bread from my recipe, the no knead recipe online. So take a look at that. It's a great way to have fresh bread. You just gotta remember the night before to put the ingredients together. Okay, you could sprinkle Parmigiano. I'm having a locatelli Pecorino Romano because I don't know why. I'm on a Pecorino Romano kick. It's a saltier, sharper cheese than the Parmigiano. Okay, now right in front of you, I'm gonna burn my mouth, but I don't care. We're hungry, everybody's waiting, so we're gonna taste it. Perfetto. This to me is comfort food. Thank you very much. If you like what you see, please subscribe. By you subscribing, the channel grows. It'll be great. I cannot say too much. My kids are staring at me like, hurry up, get off the video, we want to eat. Thank you. Arrivederci. Ciao. Alla prossima. Ciao.